Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to FEA with MSC Apex online course. Complex FEA models consist of many parts to make up a full assembly. We'll show clear methods to simplify model build to ensure that discrete parts and the full assembly are behaving as intended. Building complex assembly models can often be challenging, with errors difficult to spot. We'll show how a structured approach based around individual parts and assembly strategy can be used to successfully create the overall structure. We'll show how components can be moved, copied or mirrored, and then connected, all through a very clear model browser structure. This approach will give you the confidence to build and solve models with the right first-time approach. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.